Welcome viewers to Softedemy, a project control and engineering software academy. Today I come up with a new content, and that content is based on schedule, percent complete, correction and its error. While you monitoring your project, schedule percent complete is very important. Schedule percent complete, some people call is planned percent complete. Also we say that one that is based on planned value cost. So planned value cost is based on generally baseline schedule, and that baseline schedule already exported resource assignment data, and that resource assignment data which have a planned value cost and some earned value cost while we monitor. So that exported data does not match with your schedule percent complete every weekly when you update your data, or any monthly progress report, or any month, and when you run your schedule, but your schedule percent complete is not matching with your resource assignment. Why this happened? There are a lot of people complain about this one. Some people think about that maybe that activity duration based schedule percent complete is calculated on Excel sheet, so it's reliable. But what I have told in my last video, you can see the link of the last video in the description, that schedule percent complete for activities is calculated on the base of duration. And you can say that in Primavera P6, duration is not same as it is. We can say that 2 period, for example, there is 31 July, 31 June, 30 June. For example, there is 31 July and the difference between 8 of August. So it will calculate your difference, but it will not deduct your non-working days. But in Primavera P6, there is a function that is calendar. It is focused on calendar. Calendar will minus your off day, and then it will calculate your schedule percent complete. But it's only for activity percent complete. As I told in my previous video, that WBS is based on your cost. WBS schedule percent complete is based on your planned value cost and budget at completion. You can see in Primavera P6 that every planned value cost, I will add here a column. You can see here planned value cost. This planned value cost will be total from your activities under the WBS. In Primavera P6, it's considered separately WBS and activities. Its calculation is completely separate. Activities are separate section and WBS are separate section. People think that these are both are combined here. So we are just setting here a group and sort, and we are just creating a display. Instead of WBS, we can display something else, some activity codes. But don't think that activities have a direct relation between WBS. WBS will only total your activities from bottom. Just make this one show. On the WBS level, your schedule percent complete is calculated on the basis of planned value. What are your planned value divided by your budget at completion? That I have told you in my previous video. So what the error is? What the error have been told by my friend, and I have solved that error. The error is that his update on 14th of July is not matching with his schedule percent complete. So first of all, I will open his updated program. Here is its updated program, and in updated program I will see that is it baseline assigned. So make sure your baseline is assigned. So it's monitoring firstly process that while you create your monitoring process, or while you create monitoring procedure, there should be a baseline. Baseline should be fixed. Always it should be fixed. So I have created already a baseline. I will go here in activities, and I will go here in the maintain baseline first of all. So all the program or all the project have been opened. You can see 146, 146, 146. So it means all program have been opened. When I click on one program, then one program will be open. So maintain baseline. You can see here one program. Now I will add a baseline from my already existing database. I will assign a baseline, this one. So I will assign a baseline and cancel, close this one and assign from here. That was a maintain. Sometimes my tongue slip. Okay. So when I will press OK, I will go here as schedule percent complete. You will see here 5.16. 5.16 after assigning my baseline schedule with my updated schedule. So here is updated schedule also. I will add here schedule percent complete here. Schedule percent complete already added. I will add here performance percent complete. You can slow down my video if you see it's fast. It's here in below an icon. You can see here an icon. And from here, you can just slow down my speed to 0.75, 0.5 if you want to see faster. So you can just speed up from here. So here, I will press OK. I will see here performance percent complete here is 1.46. So this is updated schedule. It's confirmed. 5.16. And what is data date? When I will press F9, I can see here 14th of July. For your assurance, I will schedule it again and I will see here 14th of July 5.16. I will go here resource assignment. That resource assignment will be different right now because I have run already a schedule here. So the resource assignment will be different. I will go here in my baseline schedule and I will see my resource assignment from where I have created my planned value as curve. I will go here. I will see here my all planned values from here. Like planned values, I consider as budgeted cost. So budgeted cost when it has been considered on specific day. So in that specific day, it will be accumulated planned value cost. For example, it's 28. So until 28, all the accumulative to date is your planned value cost. So that's a lump sum I consider. So I will go again on my data. Here my friend have created that data, and in that data he have exported all the values here, and that values have a total of 2675 473. That's a total of here, and I will see here that total will match here. Like I will see here cumulative, last cumulative. Which one is last cumulative? 2024 at the end of 2024. Okay. Okay. 2675 474. Yes, 474. It's equal to that one. Okay. So this one cumulative is okay. And I will see that rather I have exported exact cost or not. So there are two methods to put cost in your project. One is expenses and the other one is resource. And if you have created a project having a resource, a material resource, and that material resource is occupied with cost, so also you can see here, I will apply a filter because my material resource, I will go here resource, and I will directly, if you have many material resources, and I will just directly go here and I will apply only that material which have cost. If there are many materials, if you can also apply for a resource type, and I will apply OK. So when you apply OK, you can see here filter have been applied. These are budgeted units. I will add here budgeted cost also to verify that the whole cost have been shown here. I hope the video will be long, but I will completely explain you about this concept. So people who are at beginner stage and who are just starting at different countries, the people are hired as a fresh planners, and they already learned about the scheduling, but they don't know about the monitoring. Monitoring is also a critical stage. So you need something precise that should be done. Precision should be higher in planning. Okay. So which one baseline schedule have been opened until, okay, there I have seen that there is 12 date has been shown here. I will go here, admin preferences. I have started my work on Friday. Okay. So that is 2024. That's one. I will go back down 2023. Here you can see 14th of July. That 176,712. I will see here a cumulative here. Cumulative. I will show you a cumulative here. People just do add the percentages. They don't add cost cumulative. I will add here cumulative is equal to this one and is equal to this one and this one. It will show you a cumulative. And 6.41% it will show you. What the error is, I have to show you that one. That error. Yeah, that cumulative is okay. And now I will see here 14th of July. 171,411. So yes. Okay. One concept that is very important concept. While you see in your resource assignment, this one 14 is your next day start. Like if it's 15 from here, I start from Saturday. The work start from Saturday. If I consider it, I'm showing you just for your knowledge. For example, I say that I start from Saturday, and this one I consider that 17, 1, 4, 1, 2, it's 14 ahead to 20. 14, 15 ahead to 14 ahead to 20 this week and at 13. So this one should be equal to this one at under 17. So when you export through your file as a report visit, when you export by this method, so you will see that this cost will be appear under 14. So don't consider this one 176 as a don't consider that this cost is under this one. So you will see here this one as gross. So 1 day ahead, consider that one section, while you consider as a weekly and while you consider as monthly. Daily, we don't have an issue for that one. Okay, that you should consider that one. Okay, the issue is that one 171,412, when it should be cumulated here, the percentage is appearing here 6.41. But when I go here in activities and when I see here my schedule percent complete, it's not here, but it should be in this one updated, because already I have assigned this baseline, this one. In this baseline, I will not see the resource assignment, because resource assignment will be pushed up as in a budgeted cost. You can see here 5.16. So here it should be appear here 6.14, or it should be here equal to 5.16. So how this issue will be resolved and what the issue should be? Don't consider that resource curve have any impact on that one. Only one impact, that when you consider your resources, and in resources you consider your budgeted any price per unit, and that price per unit is based on your budgeted cost, and that's the basic impact. While you calculating that one, and when you export or import back, there are some changes done in your schedule due to unverified version using, or maybe somebody have bugs in his Primavera P6 database, so it changes the value maybe. So there are two methods to solve this one. One, you can update units when cost changes. So why this issue have been happened, I haven't told you, because your budgeted cost is this one and your budgeted units are this one. These both are different. But when we see here resources and price per unit have only one, so how it's calculated? How it's calculated this one? So if I just go here and apply this one, recalculate assignment cost, so there will be totally a big mess, because budget units are this one and my total budget cost will be changed. I will go here in my, first of all, I will go here in my project and baseline, because baseline I will do that one in baseline first of all. That one I will do in baseline. This one chain. I will do only one thing. I will apply a global chain. Go here and create a global chain. You can see both are different. I will create a new one and I will go here in activity resource assignment And in activity resource assignment, I will go here in a resource, and resource, I will go here specific resource, and that resource is a resource. I will find out resource ID name is should be equal to, and I will directly equal to resource cost, and I will assign that budgeted units should be budgeted material units should be equal to budgeted cost. So I will press B, budgeted cost. Okay, budgeted cost here. So I will apply this global change. I will apply change. Okay, you will see commit changes. No, press OK. You can see here both these values are equal now. Okay, let me see why these values are not exactly equal. Modify activity resource type should be equal to material change. Commit no. Okay, that's done. You can see here these one both are same now in my baseline program. And now what I will do, I will just copy all this data from here, and when I will paste here in this Excel sheet, and now I will move 1 day back, this one day back. This must be done because it always 1 day behind, 1 week behind. Primavera P6 have a different type of setup. Okay, I will go here and I will copy all this data now, and now I have to match that one to 5.16. The result should be 5.16 here is equal to sum and on 14th of July. So my S curve was wrong. The basic issue was that S curve was wrong. Not mine, that guy's S curve was wrong. The issue was that one. Because he did not match the budgeted units. So I have matched now. So I will see that is the result have been accurate or not. Okay. So you can see here 5.16. You can see here now the result is okay, 5.16. Now it matches here. When you assign this baseline, like you can see here, I will apply that same global change here, and I will go here, apply same my apply change. Yes, commit change, no. And now when I will go here and I will open that same updated schedule, and here I will just remove first of all assigned baseline, because don't forget to remove the baseline, because baseline this baseline have wrong values. This one is previous one. Did you remember before starting the work I have assigned a baseline, and that baseline I have created a copy. So I will delete this one, and now I will add a baseline. I don't need that one project more. That's why I am assigning this one. So I have assigned that baseline which have been corrected now, and now that was already previously corrected, but our values was not correct. No? Our values at our spreadsheet was not correct. Now I will see here that 1.79, oh, it's wrong. It's not wrong. Basically, I haven't assigned the baseline here. Sign, see here, okay. You can see here 5.16. 5.16, okay, don't forget that this schedule percent complete have a direct relation with your budgeted units. This is our today's content. If you have any issue and any problem, you can contact us through our WhatsApp number, And also you can visit our website www.softedemy.com. You can email to us and ask any question. We are available at 24/7, and we will guide you if you have any problem. Meet you in our next video. Thanks. We will meet in our next video.